currently at Pantai Cenang, which means Cenang Beach, which is 5 minutes away on foot from where we're staying. It offers lots of water sports. The key ones are banana boat, jet ski, and parasailing.
Across the place where you will see Bumblebee and the other robots dancing. And then there are these washrooms over here. They are right next to the beach, so it becomes very easy when you're dirty and sandy to come and just wash yourself over here. And then if you go a little bit forward, there will be the yellow beach cafe, but you can also go from the beach side of the cafe. But we were coming here, so we found this a little bit easier to take this route, and we didn't want to get all sandy because we had just had a shower. So yeah, we're here. This is the cafe.